Hello, welcome to today's episode of Creating Graphics in Blender. This is a series from the old survey, but will be important for a series which is currently winning class survey. We start by adding a cube which we scale. Then we copy this object, but don't worry about the spacing right now. This will be changed later in the video. If we have cloned and arranged objects, we add another cube which we scale according to the values shown in a video. And then we clone it. And then we arrange them so that there are 6 cubes next to each other. And then we go to the Modeling tab, and then we split the objects into 8 parts Y, 4 parts X, and 2 parts Z. The bottom cubes, which are the table legs, we are split into 8 parts. Then click the file and export to the STL. And that's all for this episode. See you in the next videos. The script was read by Shade aka Mickey Vu, but the script was written by the Sakivirus and video was also made by the Sakivirus.